Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. Sign me up and tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel alive. Life can get hard, so honey, if you need to cry, just come share my pillow and rain, rain, go away. I wanna hear about everything you're ever thinking. You know that I can take the truth. Call me out if you think I'm ever slipping. Maybe I can turn it around. Oh yeah. Baby, if you want us, you know time is on our side. If things are gonna haunt us, we'll just have to put aside. And I'm right here if you just need to cry. Come love, share my pillow and rain, rain, go away. Been some time since you fixed me. I'll never forget your time. I know if I need it, you'll always believe my eyes. Crying on my pillow, rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away.
Happy Tuesday, everybody, and welcome back to the farm. We are winterizing our meat chicken tractors for the winter season by getting them off of the ground out here in the big pasture where they have been since the end of chicken season. Every year, at the end of the year, we like to lift them off the ground so that the wood is not just sitting there soaking up moisture throughout the winter and causing any accelerated rot to the wood, so that we can prolong these as much as possible. We are storing them in 2 batches this year, and also here on the back end of the pasture, which Dragon will tell you all about. And he says, I am. The answer is yes. Yes, he am. And making good use of all those tires that we have down in the back of the property by using them this year instead of cinder blocks. Happy Tuesday, Dragon.
How you doing?
I am wonderful. How are you today?
Oh, doing all right.
I see you are making wonderful use of your entire property this year. Good on you.
Yeah, like we mentioned this a couple times since we got the water access now right by the sheep shed that is behind us. Now we can finally have chickens out here in this far left corner of our property. You can kind of see how straggly this grass is and hasn't been fertilized. It's gets that harsh afternoon sun and no water, no fertilizer, so it's kind of grass doesn't thrive here. So hopefully a couple of years of broilers out here will bounce this pasture back. This is the edge of our property also. On this side there's a fence line. But yeah, we would like to eventually, we hope sometime this winter to get this fence. We do the fence and have a sheep-proof fence and chicken-proof, so we can use it for both. There's a few trees that we still need to take down. There's a cedar there, there's some hollies. Gonna clean this up. We cleared this, when was it? Sometime this spring. We Justin took out most of the brush, but there's still some trees that we would like to take out.
We had the chicken coop down here also too on this portion for a bit of the summer.
Yeah. And I'm hoping to do it again because I like having them here. It gives them a nice shade and yeah, away from everything. So, but yeah, tractors are up. I didn't realize how many we have. 8.
8.
So we have 8 tractors, which is great. We use 5 for meat chickens, and we'll probably use the other 3 for layers to raise the layers. So
we use them for ducklings this past year also.
Oh, ducklings. So yeah, I forgot about that. But yeah, this will give them a nice couple months of rest and to be dry and stay off the ground. And like Kevin said, prolongate the life of them. The other 4 we still need. There's those are the older ones, and one of the roof experiments with material that we thought it was going to work out good. It unfortunately didn't. It kind of bends down on any with water, and the bucket in the back and the bucket weight of the bucket kind of bends it. So that one we're going to have to redo the roof. Other 3 that we need to fix there, some of the older ones. So, but yeah, they're lasting. They pay themselves. So, yeah, this is that's the newest one, right?
Yeah, that white roof with the
ducklings in, and this plastic roof. So this one is the lightest one out of all that we have. We haven't had any crazy winds to see how he holds up to the wind, so you can't make it too light because wind can kind of lift it off. So you got to be careful with that. So, but yeah, we got 2 broken ones to pick up and take them back of the barn and leave them there till we decide that it's repair time. It's probably going to be like end of March sometime, or if you get a nice winter days. But yeah, that's it.
All right, let's go get the rest of them off the ground and move to their winter resting spot. We'll catch up with you guys soon. Happy Thursday, everybody. It's another cool morning here on the farm. Not as brutally cold as it has been in the past few days this week. Myra here is looking for her baby. Dragon is holding. She had the one boy who was born out of the 3 lambs that we had in the past week.
Right here. He's right here. I got it. And right here. Right here. I got it. It should be. It should be.
All the babies are doing well. The rest of the flock is out, back on pasture. These 2 moms were lagging behind with their babies, so we just put them back in the pen and gave them some hay so they have something to eat throughout the day too as well. Good morning, Dragon.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good. We're getting a little bit of grain.
All right.
Show people how you do that.
How I do it, okay.
Kevin does work sometimes. I know, despite the popular belief. Wow, what a sky this morning. Look at that. You gotta get some kind of feed. That one has a hole. The late one that one. So you gotta tilt it over. Put the bucket on the ground and tilt it. There you go. Let's see here.
Wow, what a system.
We have proven system. Not a whole lot. That's good. All right, we're gonna give a mix of sheep feed, which is some grain and some alfalfa pellets, all ground up. That will increase their milk production. Come on.
Myra's already ready.
Candy.
You were saying, Dragon?
No, we just give them a little bit of grain, so that will help with their milk production for the babies. I can see that is it Myra's udder?
Myra. Oh yeah, it went down.
It went down. So
Yeah, that's good.
yes. In a few days, the baby was only nursing on the one teat on one side, so the other udder was really swollen, a little bit worried. We can get.
Is it mastitis?
I think it's mastitis. But now it's calmed down. It looks like baby was nursing on the other one. Also, I wouldn't be surprised if they share the babies. They're both nursing on both, so yeah, she's definitely kind of evened out her teeth, udder.
All right. They heard the grain bucket out in the field, even though they have some grain over there that Dragon gave them to get them across the field this morning. Good morning, Snowy. How are you doing this morning? Are you doing all right? Is Bella here to take your shine? Snowy is out taking care of the sheep 24/7, doing a great job. Looked out the window this morning. He was right in front of the gate having a little morning pep talk with him. Trinity decided to join us for chores this morning, which only meant she really had to use the bathroom. That's why she got out of bed early. It's going to be a beautiful day today.
Beautiful day, man. Trinity, did you hear that?
We'll see what Dragon gets up to this afternoon.
A beautiful day today. Come on, let's go.
Bella, be nice. Bella. Come on, Tree. Morning, Chazzy. Happy Sunday, everybody. We have made it beyond the end of the week and to our closing moment here for this week's vlog. Happy Sunday, Dragon.
Where you been? Why are you not outside?
It is freezing cold outside.
Feels good in here.
It is, I think, was it 32 outside? Feels like feels like, according to the temperature right now, it's 16 degrees outside and dropping. It's going to be very, very chilly tonight.
Low teens tonight, yeah.
But here, inside the cold frame,
Hot frame. You can call it a hot frame.
it's nice and toasty. Walked in and felt an immediate difference in here. Planting update. Nothing new from the last time we showed you what was put into the ground, but everything is doing well, still bouncing back.
Is nicely bouncing back. It's starting to open up nicely. The
Celery.
celery is looking worse. I'm not sure why. I feel that lack of water because the top looks dried and underneath is all nice and red. So finding these little innocent plant, they're looking so tiny and innocent when you look at it. This is one of our nightmare weeds that we deal with. Looks such a little nice innocent plant, but when you actually dig out, it's a giant root. Let's get you out today. This giant root, and it's actually a massive plant. And as you can see, when we till this ground, killer kind of sliced it up and almost makes it worse because every slice becomes a new plant. There's no other way but to pulling them like this. And the best time to pull, you can see it barely poking out right here. Again, it's just a little innocent plant. But it's that giant root in it. Look at that. And it's nice and moist underneath, so. But yeah, so far pretty good. We did a little project. Beginning of the week, Cindy and I planting some planters with tulips. But it's so cold outside and windy, so we'll show you guys that next week. But yeah, we're finishing up the toy drive. So all the ice is, as wind is picking up, ice is kind of sliding down, so making all this. So we're finishing up this week. Tomorrow is the last day for the toy drive. I don't know, did you show them about how much?
I did. We have video on the screen right now as you speak about all the.
Yeah, it's just beyond grateful for this amazing community that continues to support us and support folks in need in the community. So we are super excited that we were able to do this with this amazing community to donate such a great amount of toys, and we are committing $10, $50 gift cards for the families in need. So just awesome to be able to be part of this. So
Yep. People were bringing toys today right till the final moment before closing, and we still have donations. Tomorrow's the last day to drop them off.
so that's all for me.
All right. That's going to do it for this week's vlog. As Dragon mentioned, it is bitterly cold outside. You saw that we had snow overnight, also too, blanketing the ground this morning. I showed them the snow. Most of it has melted off right now, which was a good thing because it definitely.
It's not. We need more snow.
But it would be ice right now if it was all that slush was still out there on the ground with how cold it is and how cold it's going to get tonight. Remember that Dragon just said we need more snow.
We need more snow because snow insulates everything, and it's dry and cold and windy. It's just brutal. So luckily, after this, 3-4 days of this cold, there's some high 50s next week. So that's something to look forward to. It will give us a chance to finish some of the bulb planting projects that we have. So
yeah,
looking forward to that.
All right. Well, we are going to get inside, get warm a little. We have a holiday party to attend this evening. Yes, we
Am I invited?
Yes, you're driving.
Drive people crazy every day.
So we're gonna go and get ourselves refreshed and ready for that. But get this vlog up before we leave as well. Want to thank you once again for stopping and checking in on us. As I said, we still have lots of people who are visiting the farm for the first time, holiday seasons, and when people are taking vacations, it's always so awesome to meet people who are finding us on TikTok, on Instagram, Facebook, and even right here on our good old YouTube channel. So if that's been you lately, we've enjoyed meeting you and we look forward to seeing you visit with us again soon. And speaking of visiting, if you happen to be traveling through Virginia, coming down US 301 and driving through King George County, make sure you stop right here and see us at the farm. Everybody stay safe out there, and we'll see you again real soon.
See you next week. Hopefully the warmer one.